Namaskar, parents, students and teachers of the passing out batch of class 12. It's a nostalgic moment. It's an unusual moment. We normally have this event in school and we try and do it before you leave for university. But this year everything has changed. But what has not changed is my joy and pride at your result. As always, you have kept the flag of DPS Sector 45 Gurgaon flying high. We again have the city topper from our school. Thank you, Disha. It's a matter of great pride and honor for me that all of you have upped your results. I hope all of you will reach the destinations you have set for yourself. Nothing will give me greater joy. Nothing will bring me more pride. And so, this last penultimate event of your school life has to happen this way. Because you know your principal well, I was not going to let this go. This occasion to celebrate, this occasion to wish you well, this occasion to bless you all. Dear parents, how can I ever thank you for your unstinting support all these years? Many of you have had a very long and beautiful journey with DPS Sector 45. You brought us your children when they were tiny 3 and 4 year olds, and we've had a lovely, very warm and a very supportive relationship all through. It almost seems like you're family, and you are family because you have behaved like one. You have treated me like your family elder and have supported all the dreams that I had for your children and for the children at large. The Shiksha Kendra would not be where it is without your support and your help from time to time. You have allowed your children to participate in Shiksha Kendra functions, in the cancer survivor functions, and I think that is what has given the school its very beautiful, sensitive, empathetic vision, which it upholds and takes pride in. I must thank the teachers, starting from Santvana ma'am, the vice principals, Sapna ma'am, Arpana ma'am, all the senior reps, the HODs, who have worked tirelessly. They have treated your children like their own. So if they have ever had to scold them or reprimand them, it was only out of love. They have worked hard, and their hard work has brought us rich fruit. As our children now embark on a new journey out of school, I will always wish them well. I will always pray that they continue this upward journey towards excellence, towards achievement, towards reaching and conquering new milestones. May they try new things, may they try to make the world a better place, may they try to become the best versions of themselves. May they always reach out to you for help, support. May they always keep coming back to us, their alma mater, to give their experience, their thoughts, their advice to their juniors, to the Shiksha Kendra, because that is what has made this relationship between the alumni and the school such a rich and vibrant one. I know that Sapna ma'am, Arpana ma'am, Santvana ma'am, all of us look forward to their coming back again and again to talk to the children. We of course keep bringing them back for judging events, for addressing the children, and I think that is what makes me look forward to each batch passing out, because I have that many more people coming back to talk to the children. So a fond farewell, dear class of 2020. You will be missed. You will be missed in the sports field. You will be missed in the dance stage. You will be missed in the corridors. But not for very long, because we have to just peep inside our hearts. And there you are, smiling and always, always evergreen in our thoughts. Stay well, stay safe. All the best to all of you, and a big, big congratulations for this last final blue badge, blue coat, gold medal or scholar badge that you have achieved today. Namaskar.
The future belongs to those who believe in their dreams, who keep their feet on the ground but eyes on the stars. This holds so true to our Director Principal, Ms. Aditi Misra, a 21st century leader with a will to empower others. Thank you, ma'am, for always guiding the DPS Gurgaon family to do what is right. We all feel blessed to have you as a guiding force in these different and unusual times. Thank you, ma'am. Heartiest congratulations, dear parents, teachers, and my dear children.